Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Ed, the RV trucker. Sitting here in my new to me, camper, and I'll do a little review on it later. Where am I at? What am I doing? I am at a dog show. Actually, it's called an agility trial, and I am the support crew. Apparently, we're not doing too bad. We have qualifying score in first place this morning, and that's pretty good. That's one of the things that keeps me busy is running to these shows and supporting her with the dog show thing. Anyway, after watching YouTube, I know now why people say subscribe, like, and all that. If you can, please do. More than anything right now, though, if you could leave me a comment on your thoughts and what any comment that you see on something, and as we go through this, I'll let you know what my thoughts are and which direction I might go with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video. I'm going to break it into 3 pieces. I'm going to do a video of the exterior, I'm going to do a video of the interior, and then I'm going to do a video of the drivetrain, which means I got to crawl underneath and all that stuff. So stay tuned and you'll see more details of the 52 white. Let's take a look at the exterior. Okay, this bumper is bent right here, and we have a dent right here. You see that? And then, of course, we're going to have to replace this light. We'll have to replace all the lights. Marker lights missing. Okay. We've got a little dent right here. That happened when we was moving it. That won't be bad. Okay. Another headlight, marker light. Okay, this bumper here is bent. I'll probably take this rail. I'll probably take this rail off of here. Yeah, cut it off. And I had something welded on here. Let's see, we got a dent right here. Okay. Of course, another marker light needs to be changed. Let's see here. It's going around this way. The hood's going to need some work on it down here. The new latches too. Okay. Here we have the oil cooler. Okay, the windshield. The windshield can be replaced. It's all flat glass. We're going to need another wiper arm. And we're going to need all the cab lights. Somebody took all the cab lights off of it. There's a dent in the roof. Right here, that can be popped up. Okay. We'll adjust that door. This mirror bracket, I'll have to replace all that. This curved bracket right here is going to be hard to find, so I'll probably have to make one of those. Okay. This probably was a fire extinguisher.
Not recording now. Why?
It's recording. Now I've got to cut that out. Okay, so we'll bend right here. Yeah. Ah, there we go. Okay, the only bad place in the whole cab is right there at the bottom. It's rusted through. What we'll do is we'll take all those air valves and stuff off of there. They don't need to be on there anymore. That bracket up there for the airlines. And we'll probably cut most of this away. I don't know what it was for. So let's go around to the other side. Check out the cab on the other side. Okay, this fender bent here too. Probably when this went in, it sprung this out. Same way the hood right here has to be fixed. And the latch is missing. We'll probably dress a lot of that up. Okay. There's a dent right here. Okay. Another dent right here. And this is the air cleaner. We'll have to take it apart and see what it's all about. This step got bent really bad. Yeah, got bent bad. Let's see. Let's get a line and view it. Yeah. And the bottom of the fender. Bottom of the fender right there got kind of messed up. Right there. Not too bad. Okay. These are the battery boxes. Get the batteries in there. Alrighty. That was for 2 6-volt batteries, and this was for 2 more 6-volt batteries. We also have a pretty good dent right here in the door. I don't know if that shows up or not. The door, I suspect the door. Yeah, the door flew open and hit the air cleaner. So, oh yeah, this mirror bracket here is shot. It's all twisted up. This is bent in right here. Okay, let's go around to this side here. Got a little buckle right here. I don't know if you can see that or not.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Okay. And like I said, all this cab bowed in a little. There's a flat spot right here. Something hit this right here. And we'll remove this junction box here and the air valves and the air lines. Will simplify it down a bit. Okay. So all in all, let's get a wide view here. It's not beyond repair. It's got 3 coats of paint on it, but I don't know if everybody's seen that or not. believe the original paint was the yellow, and then somebody painted it green, and then after that somebody painted it red, and it's all fading back layer by layer. And that's what she looks like on the outside. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe, like, give me a comment. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thank you very much. See you next time.